Hi and welcome to my video. My name is Leah and this is Leah's Tidy World. And now I thought I would take you through another declutter. Like yesterday I did a wardrobe organization video. So everything looks organized, but I realized that I really have to be stricter with myself when it comes to what I keep and what I let go of. Like what I keep. Because if I want to be a minimalist in the future, then I can't just keep everything just because I might wear it or whatever. So I figured I would take you along. I hope you like the idea. I hope you'll enjoy it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like the content. It's free. And I'll see you in a second. Oh, I won't see you in a second because I'll be filming the wardrobe. And my little helper was sleeping here a second ago. Minnie! Love you! So this is what the wardrobe is looking like. The bags are a mess, but I'm focusing on the clothes at the moment. And I'll especially focus on this bottom part, I think. Because this is what I was organizing yesterday, where I saw a few items that I have to be more honest with myself about. And there are more items at the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There's a box. Oh, it's so dark. Under this box there are more items there at the back and down there. Oops, sorry. There are more items at the back and here as well, there and there. KonMari actually says that you should take everything out when you do your initial declutter, but once you've done a whole round of decluttering, you don't need to take everything back out. You will feel what doesn't spark joy anymore, and you can just grab it and declutter it. So that's what I'll be doing today. I don't know if my first round was very successful, but I feel like this time around I know which items I need to be more honest with myself about. So yeah, I'll just be taking out what I don't need anymore or what I want to talk to you about. And I mean, even though like I found it very overwhelming to take everything out, it hasn't worked for me. I even slept next to the clothes pile on the bed because I just didn't get it done. I was thinking for so long what to do with my stuff, but that's like years ago, but still. That's how I started out. So yeah, I had a lot of things and it was bad. I had a lot of strong attachments. So I basically decided that what I normally do, or what I did in my last round was, which you have seen if you have seen my older videos, it's like taking out only the belts is a recent one. Or, oh, I hung up this, by the way. As I said I would. This sachet that smells good. Or only the colored shirts, or only the t-shirts, and then only go through that, so that it's kind of bite-sized chunks and you can kind of deal with it faster and it's less overwhelming. So I would definitely recommend that. This is how I do it. But today I'll only be taking out what I wanna reconsider. So yeah, follow along. Hope you like it. Here are the things that I pulled. Yeah, where to start? Let's start here. This one I haven't worn that often because it's so thick, but it's a t-shirt. So there isn't really a good weather for it, but I kind of want to give it a second chance. Then we have this beautiful wool jumper. It's actually really nice. I don't know why. You know how KonMari says, zing means like, kyun means it sparks joy when you when your whole body like lifts up, it means it brings you joy. And then if you feel like meh, like it goes down, you feel meh, it means it doesn't bring you joy. I get that with this jumper, so that feeling. I don't know why I get this feeling, because it's the perfect color and I love wool. I love good quality pieces. It's from a vintage store, but well, these, and now it's a cute pattern, but these holes just make it inconvenient because you want to stay warm. If it's thick enough to wear a wool sweater, then you don't really want to get cold where these holes are, so it doesn't really make sense. And I just haven't reached for it that much because I mean, recently we had a -5 degrees day, but normally it's not that cold in England in the winter. So I just haven't reached for it. I only have other wool jumpers and I have too many because I can wear them if I go to Germany, but in the UK it's just, if you don't know, I am from Germany, that's why. But in the UK it just doesn't make that much sense. Then we have this. It's from a great brand, but it's men's. These two are men's. And they look cute on, but I always forget I have them, and then my feelings also gotta go down. So I just have to be a bit more ruthless. And I was gonna try them on, but if I try them on, I want to keep them. So, oh, this is Old Navy. Do you think that will sell? This one might sell. This one would definitely sell at some point. So I can pop that on my eBay. It's such a pity. I don't know if I should keep this one and just let go of this one. But it's the shoulders for me because it's men's. And in the past I wouldn't mind, but for some reason it doesn't look good on me anymore. This is the reason why I haven't reached for it. So I just have to let go. What can I do? Oh man, this one is really nice though. Maybe I should try it on and see how I feel. I might do that. Then what I'll definitely try on is this wool jumper. I really love it, but I think it's meant to be oversized and it fits snug on me, but the arms are bigger, so it kind of looks weird. I just don't know if that's not too weird for me to wear, even though it's a great piece and I really love it. We have the same problem as with these on this one. I've shown this in the, I think I talked a bit about it in the closet organization, this Barber t-shirt, but I think I'll have to sell it because I think the shoulders look stupid on me. I might try it on, but I feel like if I try things on, then I want to keep them. And this one is getting tight around the waist, around the hips, sorry. But I see if the tailor can maybe make it bigger. Then we have this. I think I'm just stopping reaching for it, but it's so early in the game that I want to give it another chance and see if I wear it in the summer. Then we have this romper. And this romper, which I really love the buttons here, but I've never worn it. And I think I got it some months ago. And this one I have worn, but also like it doesn't spark joy, even though I like it. I didn't used to understand how you can like something if it doesn't spark joy, because I thought they were synonymous, liking and sparking joy, but they're not. I like it, but it doesn't spark joy. And it's a bit inconvenient because you always have to take the whole thing off if you want to use the bathroom. And I still have these two here, which do spark joy, so maybe this is my sign to let these go, but I might think about these two off camera just because I'm having a harder time letting them go because they're so unique. And I would have a hard time repurchasing something like this if I ever wanted it back. I don't have any idea where I could find this. This is not just a romper, but it's kind of like, I forgot what it's called, like a faux skirt, where it's like, it looks like a skirt, but it's actually shorts. So these both are really unique, and for that reason I might keep them, but I'm gonna think about it off camera because I feel like I can't make up my mind so fast. But I feel like I have to be ruthless, so I need to let it go. Darn, I just put on the go pile for now. Then we have this summer trouser, which I don't really like, but it's so hard for me to find summer trousers that I like. Trousers. I only have this one that I like. I only have one other one, so aside from shorts. So I'm gonna be keeping it for now, but I'll be on the lookout for a nicer one. Then we have this silk jacket that I got in a vintage kilo sale. It's so pretty, but I haven't reached for it because the lining is polyester, and I feel like in the summer it will make me sweat when it's too hot, so I don't want to reach for it because it will make me too hot. But then the rest of the year I can't reach for it because it's too thin, because it's silk on the outside. But I want to give it another chance, and if I don't wear it this summer, then it goes. Same for this one. I feel like I can't pull it out. Let's put this to the side. It's so beautiful and Asian inspired. I haven't given it much wear, but I want to give it another shot and kind of put more conscious effort into wearing it. I don't know whether that's the wrong choice. Probably is. But I don't know. I just can't part with it yet. Then we have this bra holder, which I thought would be a good idea to use again, but my bras are actually wider than this. Even though I don't like the, what do you call it, the wired bras, so actually I could like squeeze them in, but I feel like I'm more comfortable with where they are at the moment, and I don't know, I'm just over it. I'm not really over it, but like it just feels a bit old, so I'll be letting go of that. Then we have these two pairs of shorts. I just found another pair of, oh no, I forgot something. I always forget that I still have this pair. I might try it on, or I think I'll just let it go because I forgot that I had it. I thought I'd already let it go. It's a pair of skinny jeans, and this is the floral one that I mentioned in my wishlist video. I wanted something like this, but this is not, like, it's kind of, I don't know if it's low-waisted. I think it's mid-waisted or whatever you call it, but like I'm just not as comfortable with it as I would be with a high-waisted pair, but I'll be keeping them for now. So I found this pair of shorts that I've never worn. It's from H&M. It's got this cute waist detail. So then I have two more shorts. So I have stopped reaching for these. So I'll actually be okay. I feel like something's up with the air because it makes me cough. I have stopped reaching for this, so I'll be okay letting them go. I was gonna downgrade them to loungewear, but I have enough loungewear pants. So it's just a question of whether I should swap them out. But I'm kind of comfortable with the other ones, so this can go. Then we have this. It's Calvin Klein. I love this, but it also reminds me of a difficult time in my life. And somebody once stole this from me, then gave it back when the other person got angry at them. It always reminds me of that. And it's just so frayed. You can see this is not the sleeve. These are the sleeves. Look at them. I wore it anyway because I loved it so much, but I think I'm ready to part with it. It's really old. My friend gave it to me. I have enough jumpers, so that's why. Same for this. You might remember in my wardrobe organization video that I didn't even remember I had it. So I figured if I didn't even remember, like I didn't even remember where I got it. I think I got it from a charity shop. But the other ones came back to me once I saw them, but this one at first I didn't even remember where I got it or whatever. So like I figured I could live without it. And then this one slides down on me all the time. It's really beautiful from H&M. But there's just I can't be bothered to keep pulling my pants up all the time, especially if you're wearing a dress underneath. Then you just pull up your dress the whole time. It's just uncomfortable. And then you have seen them in my recent decluttering video, but I hadn't made a choice to let them go yet. But these two I got from my mom, but I'm selling them on eBay, and I actually got, I think, 3 watches on this shirt or whatever. I'm selling this flannel shirt as well. I really love it. And this one is too small. These ones I've just never reached for since she gave them to me, and I don't know how long ago it is, but probably longer than I think. And then these 3 shirts are too tight around my waist area, so I'm selling these. I'm selling this on eBay. Gilcrafts and More is the username if you care, if you're looking for plus size fashion. And I've also just never reached for it. I think it's not my style. I bought it because I wanted floral denim, if you would know, if you have seen the wishlist video. But all I could find was embroidery like this, which I'm not really into. I don't know. I mean, the embroidery is the pretty part, but I don't know. It's not me. And then we have this beautiful wool skirt that I wanted to wear again this winter, but it's too small. So yeah, that is everything that I'm decluttering. It's more than I thought, actually, once you see it all together. Oh, I can't show you the after. I haven't put things back yet. And this is the after. It doesn't look like much of a difference. I think you can't tell at all. Well, you can tell in this corner a lot, but otherwise it pretty much looks the same. But we all know how much I got rid of. Well, I need to try these on and then decide. I'll do that off camera. But otherwise... Oh, I have forgotten to put this back. I'll do that. But otherwise... It's quite a big pile, actually. It's more than I thought I would manage. So yeah, that's good. I'm happy I decluttered my wardrobe a bit more. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, consider subscribing if you like my content. I will be putting out more decluttering videos in the future, hopefully, if everything goes well, when I'm a bit more ready to declutter more stuff. And yeah, thanks for joining me. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Tune back in. Thank you. Bye.